This morning as we pray, this morning as we call upon the name of the Lord, there is something that should not die in us. I mean it. Lower the instruments. I want to communicate something. Listen to this. Christianity is not a matter of persuasive words. It is please remove that echo. The greatness of Christianity, it is when the world is against you. When you will find yourself in agreement with the world, that means your power has been stolen. Because Christianity, it is not a feeling. It is a lifestyle shared in togetherness with Christ. And this is the lifestyle that breaks the yokes and the power of religion. Because a lot of people have connected themselves to religion more than Jesus Christ. If you ask some people today, they will tell you mimi ni mwana JCM, but they will forget to say mimi ni Christian. They are so comfortable mentioning religion more than mentioning Jesus. Remember when Jesus said, I will not build a JCM, but I will build a church on the rock, where Satan cannot shake that church. Nowadays, we are so comfortable to forget Jesus and remember religion. When you dwell in religion, you lose your Christianity grips on Jesus. Every attachment on Christ